Prince Andrew has tried before to clear things up when it comes to his relationship with Jeffrey Epstein, but a generous assessment would be that it's always gone rather badly. But it's amazing the difference his departure from Buckingham Palace can make to his ability, or at least his lawyer's ability, to hit back in defence. After months of claims from the US that the Prince has not been cooperating with their investigation, came this today. The Prince's legal team hit back at the US Department of Justice. The Duke of York said his lawyers has on at least 3 occasions this year offered his assistance as a witness to the Department of Justice. Unfortunately, the DOJ has reacted to the first 2 offers by breaching their own confidentiality rules and claiming that the Duke has offered 0 cooperation. It was a robust response to 2 claims in particular made by the New York prosecutor Jeffrey Berman. Firstly, in January.
To date, Prince Andrew has provided 0 cooperation.
And this was him again in March.
Prince Andrew has now completely shut the door on voluntary cooperation.
And tonight, Berman himself issued a statement giving his version of events. He said, today Prince Andrew yet again sought to falsely portray himself to the public as eager and willing to cooperate, even though the Prince has not given an interview to federal authorities, has repeatedly declined our request to schedule such an interview, and nearly 4 months ago informed us unequivocally, through the very same counsel who issued today's release, that he would not come in for such an interview. So far, so very unclear, but lawyers for some of Epstein's very many victims told us today they don't care who is to blame for the delay, but the delay must end.
Stop trying to avoid and evade that day. It's time for Prince Andrew to step up to the bar of justice.
How is he avoiding and evading questions if his legal team claim that he's offered 3 times to cooperate?
But let's just get on with it. He's long overdue to provide his full cooperation without any conditions whatsoever.
US prosecutors, however, have now formally asked the Home Office for what's called mutual legal assistance. If granted, this is what could happen.
You wouldn't expect an extradition request to be made just for the purpose of questioning. That would be quite improper. What would happen would be that the UK authority could nominate a court here in the UK, and the UK court could summons Prince Andrew to answer questions.
On this day last year, Prince Andrew was with the Queen on the Buckingham Palace balcony on her official birthday. What a difference a year makes.